Hi, this is Michelle from My Purse Strings. I wanted to show you this xylitol package that was sent to me. Pretty much eliminated sugar from my diet. I've been drinking unsweetened coffee for a long time. I try to use natural sweeteners. So I was attracted to xylitol. First of all, you may have seen it in gum and mints. It is kind of everywhere. It is an all natural sugar substitute, low glycemic index. And so it's great for people on the keto diet. And it also is it's also low in calories, low carb. So the one thing I do miss sugar in sometimes is I have a little cappuccino maker and I sometimes like a little sugar in my cappuccino. I've just been drinking it without, so I wanna try it with that. Also for smoothies, I often add dates. I try to add a lot of veggies, but I think this would be a good additive for that. So let's see how it does with my cappuccino. Showing you what this looks like up close, if you can see. There are some crystals. If you're wondering how much of this to put in, it's just as much sugar as you would normally do. So you don't want to eat this all day long. There could be some, digestion issues, but just a small amount in your coffee and your smoothie while baking. Let's taste it. Sweet, tastes like sugar. One last thing, if you have pets like I do, you want to keep these away from dogs. It is toxic. My dogs get into everything, so I'm going to definitely keep it away from them.